Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are seeing my video for the first time, then this is Ruby here. Okay guys, so today I am going to share my pamper routine with you guys, which I make sure I follow it, like I do it every twice a month, like alternate weekends. Yes, so that's what I do, and it's really amazing. It helps me to get refreshed, and I love to do these things at home itself, so it makes me feel fresh. It's fun and it's amazing. In short, I just enjoy this routine and I will share with you guys today. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Before that, don't forget to hit like to this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you're seeing me for the first time, and welcome to my YouTube family. Okay, so we'll just start with the video. Okay, so first thing I always do before starting any of the thing is I play a good music on my phone, because I feel music से refreshment ऐसे ही हो जाता है, and good music, the music which you like, always play. And I play on this speaker. I have two speakers. These are really tiny, small and amazing. The voice is really superb, so I play on them. And yes, it is a Bluetooth speaker, but फिर भी I use wire. I don't know, I am very bored to charge again and again, so I always use wire. I feel like wire ठीक है ना, घर पे ही है. So yes. Okay, so we'll start with the hair, क्योंकि hair के लिए हमेशा long time रखना पड़ता है, so it will nourish my hair till the time I do other things. Okay, so for hair I use dahi/curd, or else I use oil. So today is oiling day, so I'll be oiling my hair. And if you want a complete in deep tutorial of oiling and dahi, then I have a video on that, separate video on that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch that after watching this video. So for oil I mix lemon, उससे hair fall कम होता है, and like heat it up. So yes. And the question is कि लेमन डाला तो वाइट हेयर होता है. येस, इफ़ यू पुट लेमन इन योर नॉर्मल ऑयल तो वो वाइट हेयर होने के चांसेस है. बट इफ़ यू हीट द ऑयल एंड देन यू पुट लेमन, तो वो हीट की वजह से वो लेमन का जो भी मिक्सचर होता है उससे हेयर वाइट नहीं होता है. सो दैट्स द कन्फ्यूजन विच इज़ ओवर, आई गेस. सो आई विल बी जस्ट ऑयलिंग. And the oil I use is parachute oil, the normal one. Yes, so I guess I am done. I'll just tie it up so that it nourishes my hair really nicely. Yes, I may look champu really bad, but this is what is necessary and this is what I do naturally. Okay, so I am done with my hair, and now we'll do body scrub. So for body scrub, पहले I used to use this Kenny and Co white musk body scrub, which I have bought it from beauty shop. And now I have this Odeon face and body scrub, which I have got in a gift from one of my cousin. This is from UAE, I guess. Yes, this is from UAE. So you guys can see this. I'll be using this for my whole body. So now I am done with my hands and legs. Now we'll go to the face. For face I'll be using today Everyuth apricot, no sorry, yeah, Everyuth walnut apricot scrub. And I'm using this since ages and ages, like since I was a kid. My mom used to apply this, then I continued this because I really like this product. It's really nice for skin. And if you guys want in-depth tutorial of this, then you can go to the link given in the description box. So I'll be using this for my face. Okay guys, so all the granules are here on my body and everywhere. So I'm done with the face scrubbing as well. So what I'll be doing is I'll just wash all those granules and extra things on my body with water and napkin. If you want, you can just wash it as well, but I'm not going to wash because I feel really bored, because and at the end I'm literally going to take bath, so no need of washing everything. Since we are done with this, now I'll be applying face mask on my face and doing hair removal on my body. For that, first thing I use is this Mamaearth Ubtan face mask, and the review of this product is also there in a different video. I just love this mask. I don't know why, but I am in love with this mask. So basically it's an amazing mask. Oh, it's not opening as usual. I'm very bad at. Okay, it's rust in color. So I'll be applying this all over my face fatafat. Okay, yes, it's done and I'm looking booth. Okay, on a serious note, all these things I do every alternate Sunday and it makes me feel fresh. See, you can see that already on my mood, that yes, it is just a pampering thing for your own self, and it makes you feel really fresh and makes your mood amazing. And yes, now we'll just go to the hair removal process. So for that I use Gillette razor. I don't go for wax because that's really painful, and yes, I'm allergic to that. I get boils. If you guys can see any boils on my body, that are only due to waxing, because I don't know, I have tried pearl wax, I have tried chocolate wax, I have tried many different types of waxing, but it turns out to be creating boils on my body. But when I switched to razors, it was amazing. I have even tried appelators, but razors were good for me. But yes, for underarms I use wheat wax strips. It's because वहाँ पे boils नहीं होते हैं. And second thing, when you do wax, your hair takes time to grow, but if you do razor, your hair grows within 2 weeks. Yes, that's the reason I do every alternate Sunday. But yes, so I use razors. Before that I use this Satin Care foam. So I never use razor bare on my skin. Before that I make sure I use this, that is Satin Care, which is really nice and doesn't affect anything on my skin, and it's really amazing. And the people who say इससे black हो जाती है skin, no, it's never. इससे black नहीं होती है skin. Yes, tan remove भी नहीं होता है जो waxing से होता है, but for tan removal I can do scrub, but waxing no, it's really painful. And boils तो I will never take again on my body purposely when I know waxing से मुझे बॉयल्स होता है. एंड फॉर द पीपल जिसको बॉयल्स होता है, जिसको प्रॉब्लम है, जस्ट ट्राई वंस दिस जिलेट रेजर. एंड पेरेंट्स जो कन्विंस नहीं हो रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स को बताओ ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, ब्लैक नहीं होता है स्किन. येस, एंड फॉर द पीपल हु आस्क इससे हार्श हेयर आते हैं, दैट इज़ हार्डली फॉर 1 day, उससे कुछ फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता है. सो आई फील रेजर्स आर अमेजिंग. नाउ बहुत बड़बड़ कर लिया मैंने. नाउ वील जस्ट गो फॉर हेयर रिमूवल प्रोसेस. आई विल जस्ट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड इट. I'll be using this wheat wax strips. Okay, it's done. Okay guys, so I have removed all of my hair from the body and it feels really refreshing and amazing. You guys also do this and make yourself feel this feeling. Okay, now I'll just cut my nails and just give it the shape to my nails. Okay, so this is the nail buffer. I have a complete video also on this. I'll link, you can click on that I button and get a complete video of this. Okay guys, so my face mask is also dried. Now I'll go and take bath, wash my hair since it has become long time. I have even put oil, and I'll wash my hair, I'll wash my face and everything, and I'll just come out fresh from the bathroom. Okay, and then just simple 2-3 steps, that is moisturizing your body and hair serum and all the stuffs. So we'll just go. Okay, so first thing I do is I open my hair. I tie this for just coming out so that all the wet, like literally wet hair gets little dried, not totally dried, but yes. And then I remove all the excess water. Don't smudge it, just touch your towel with your hair and all the excess water will come out. Just remember, I don't remove knots right away. I apply the serum, hair serum. Yes, right now I am using this. I have a complete video over this and I'll link that also in the description box. You can have a look. The best part about this serum is that the smell is literally mild, but yes, it is really amazing. I just love the smell of this hair serum, which is of Be Blunt Blue Bottle. Okay, so that's the reason I love this, and it even does its job really nice. Now I just keep it open. There are two options obviously, use a hair dryer or you keep it on a air dry. So I most of the times let it air dry, don't use a hair dryer because it damages the hair, and I love the hair when it is air dried. Now the last thing for the body I use is this Dove body lotion for all over my hands and legs, and for my face that old Nivea. Okay guys, so it has been quite time and my hair are almost dried. Yes, they are wet, little wet, but not that wet, so I can just remove all the knots from my hair. Since we have applied a hair serum, removing knots becomes way easier. Okay guys, knots are also removed. Now the last step, and that's doing nail polish. It's something important. Don't ever forget applying nail polish after doing whole pampering session. Okay guys, we are done with nail polish as well, and yes, that was all for today. I hope you like my video, and guys, do follow a self-care pamper routine once a month at least, because it will really make you feel refreshed and change your mood completely and make you feel like it's a different feeling. So just have your own pamper routine. And yes, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my YouTube family, and we'll meet you in next video. Bye bye.